Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's discussion. I'm Elza, and today we are going to discuss a topic that affects almost everyone: the impact of fuel price increases. When fuel prices rise, many aspects of daily life are affected, from transportation costs to the price and good and service. But how significant are these impacts? To help us understand that is, we have Naila with us today. Welcome, Naila.
Hi everyone. Thank you so much, Elda. It's pleasure to be here. So, yeah.
We start. Let's begin with a general question. In your opinion, what is the biggest impact of rising fuel prices?
So in my opinion, the biggest impact is on the economy. Fuel is an essential research because almost every economic activity depends on transportation. According to the International Energy Agency, higher fuel prices increase uh, production and distribution costs for many industries. Uh, as a result, companies often raise their prices of their product to cover these additional expenses. This means that rising fuel prices affect not only drivers but also consumer in general.
That's a good point. How do you higher fuel price affect transportation costs?
Transportation is one of the sector most directly affected. Public transportation companies, delivery service, and logistic business usually spend a large amount of money on fuel. According to research published by the Asian Development Bank, increases in fuel prices often lead to higher transportation fares and shipping costs. Businesses may pass the cost on to customers, making travel product delivery more expensive. As a result, many people have to spend more money on daily transportation.
Many economics also connect fuel prices with inflation. Could you explain that relationship?
Yeah, of course. Inflation happens when the general prices of goods and service increases over time. According to Mankew's book, Principles of Economics, higher energy prices can cause cost push inflation. This happen because businesses face higher production costs and increase product price to maintain their profit. And therefore, when fuel prices rise, the price of food, clothing, transportation, and other basic necessities may also increases.
Okay, that's very informative. Now let's talk about student. How are university students affected by rising fuel prices?
Students are also significantly affected. First, students who commute to campus by motorcycle, car, or public transportation have to spend more on transportation. Second, delivery fees for food, books, and online shopping may also increase. According to a report by the World Bank, rising fuel prices reduce household purchasing power, especially for low and middle income families. As a result, some students may have to reduce their daily expenses or manage their finances more carefully.
Besides student, what effect do rising fuel price have on society as a whole?
The impact is widespread. Low-income families are usually the most affected because they spend a large portion of their income on transportation and basic necessities. Small business may also struggle because their operating costs increase while customers become more careful with spending. Research from the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development showed that energy price increases can slow economic growth and reduce household consumption if they continue for a long period.
Some people argue that higher fuel prices encourage people to use public transportation and save energy. Do you agree with that?
Yes, some extent I agree. Higher fuel price can encourage people to drive less, use public transportation, or choose more efficient vehicles. However, this depends on whether affordable and reliable public transportation is available. If public transportation is limited, people may have no choice but to continue paying higher fuel costs. Therefore, governments should improve public transportation while implementing fuel price policies.
That's a very balanced perspective. Before we end today's discussion, what is your final opinion on this issue?
My opinion, I believe fuel price increases have both positive and negative effects. While they may encourage energy conservation and reduce fuel consumption, they also increase transportation costs, contribute to inflation, and place financial pressure on student and society. For this reason, government should balance fuel price policies when policies with support program such as transportation subsidies and improvement in public transportation to reduce the burden on citizens. That's it.
Okay, thank you very much, Naila, for sharing your valuable insight. Today, we learned that fuel prices increases affect the economy, transportation costs, inflation, student, and society as a whole. Although there may be some long-term benefits, careful government politics are necessary to minimize the negative impacts. Thank you for everyone for listening. We have Today discussion has helped you better understand this important issue. Have a wonderful day and see you next time.
See you.